Looking for reliable waste management solutions in Madison, Indiana? Introducing Arch Waste and Recycle, your trusted partner for your dumpster rental in Madison, Indiana. Whether you're renovating your home, clearing out clutter, or managing construction debris, we've got you covered. Arch Waste and Recycle is committed to excellence and customer satisfaction. We provide hassle-free dumpster rental services tailored to your specific project requirements. We pride ourselves on delivering exceptional customer service at Arch Waste and Recycle. Our team is dedicated to ensuring a smooth and hassle-free rental experience for all our customers in Madison, Indiana. Plus, with transparent pricing and flexible rental terms, renting a dumpster has never been easier. Let us handle your waste management needs so you can focus on completing your project with ease and peace of mind. Contact us today at 812-758-7274 or visit our website at www.archwasteandrecycle.com. Dumpster Rental Madison IN to learn more and book your dumpster rental. Let's keep Madison clean and beautiful together. Experience convenience and reliability with Arch Waste and Recycle. Trust us to help you with all your dumpster rental needs.